morning students. Today we are going to discuss the topic consumer equilibrium in case of two commodity. In earlier video we discussed about the consumer equilibrium in case of one commodity. In that we study that consumer is in equilibrium when he is taking Px is equal to, the condition is price of commodity X is equal to marginal utility of X. It means we study that the marginal utility is decreasing when we consuming more and more units of a commodity. Okay. Though the condition of consumer equilibrium was Px is equal to Mux is equal to Mum, and the assumptions were that Mu or marginal utility of money remain constant. Okay. Now we will discuss about the consumer equilibrium when the consumer is consuming more than two commodities. Okay, means more than one, we can say two or more than two commodities. The consumer is in equilibrium only if he allocate, means he expands his given income. This is also our assumptions that the income of the consumer is given on good X and good Y. We are studying two commodity case, so we have taken two commodities. The consumer is spending his income on good X and good Y in such a way that per rupees Mu, means marginal utility of both the product is equal and he get maximum total utility. It means the consumer will spend his given income in such a manner that the last rupee spent on the good X and good Y will be equal to the marginal utility of the good X and good Y, and the marginal utility of total utility will be maximum at that point. Okay. So here we will take two conditions, that there are two main conditions of consumer equilibrium in case of two commodity. The first is that Mux is upon Px is equal to Mum, marginal utility of money. Okay, it means that marginal utility of good X upon price of good X, that here we can take that margin, we are getting some unit goods, that marginal utility of that good X we can take that we are eating burger. Okay, burger. So the marginal utility of burger means good X burger, that is 10, and price of this is 5. So our Mum will be equal to 2, or we can say that per unit utility that we get from the good is 2. Okay, in terms of money we see that is 2, and we are studying two case commodities. So marginal utility Muy upon Py equal to Mum. Okay, so here we can take that Muy is our 50. Okay, and Py is 10. Here we are getting pizza. Okay, so the Mu marginal utility of y means pizza, that you are taking pizza, and that marginal utility from that you get 50, and price of that one piece is 10, that is equal to 5. Okay, so our marginal, that utility per unit is 5, or we can see that in terms of marginal utility of money, that is 5. Okay, I hope you got the point. So here the condition is that Mux upon Px is equal to Muy upon Py is equal to Mum. This is our condition of consumer equilibrium. Okay, the Mux means marginal utility of X, price of X, Mum marginal utility from Y, Py price of Y means good X and good Y, and Mum means marginal utility derived from money. Okay, so here is the table that you can see units. For example, example, it is apple, good X is apple and it is orange. Okay. So the price of apple is rupees 1. Okay. Price of apple is rupees 1 and also orange. And the income of the consumer is 6 rupees. Okay. Income of the consumer is 6 rupees. Before understanding this table, we will take some assumptions that income of the consumer is given. In earlier case also we have taken the same assumptions, that consumer equilibrium in case of one commodity that we have discussed. In that also we have taken these assumptions. The first is income of the consumer is given. And why assumptions are necessary? Because if we do not assume this thing, then this theory will collapse. It will not be applicable. Income of consumer is given. Income of consumer is given. Like here we have given 6 rupees, you can see. And the second, price of good X and price of good Y is also given. That is rupees 1. Okay. Love diminishing marginal utility hold. Okay, that marginal utility derived from good X and Y is decreasing. So here you can understand this by table, that unit, when we are consuming unit 1, that our MUX is 25 of good X means apple, and here it is 30, that by consuming orange the consumer getting 30 marginal utility. So what will he consume? He will consume apple or orange of the first unit. Obviously he is getting more marginal utility from the orange, that's why he will go for the orange. That first unit, the first rupees that consumer will spend on the good orange, that here is the marginal utility is more compared to good X, and the second rupees that consumer will spend, here also 26, that marginal utility derived from orange is more compared to apple. So here also he will go for the second unit, will take off orange. So third rupees consumer will think now, because here it is 15 and he will spend the third rupees on the apple. Here it is 25, so he will spend third rupees on the apple, and the fourth rupees also on apple because it is more than 15, and fifth can be apple or orange depending on the situation and the behavior of the consumer. So it will be apple, and the sixth unit it will be orange. Okay. So like in this manner he will spend his money, income. I hope you got this table. Now we will discuss this with the help of the diagram. So now we will discuss this table by the diagram. So when the consumer is consuming first unit, we are saying he is spending on the orange, that here the marginal utility derived from the orange is more compared to the marginal utility from the apple. So the consumer is going for the first unit of apple, orange, and for the second unit also he is going for the orange, and the third unit that he is spending on the apple, that here the marginal utility from the apple is more than the orange. So the equilibrium will be a point where the MUX intersect MUY, and this is the point E. This point E is the equilibrium point. Here the MUY intersect MUX at point E, and here the consumer is taking 4 unit of X and 2 unit of Y, means he is taking 2 units of orange and 4 units of apple. Okay, because he is having limited income, is giving income only 6 rupees, he is having 6 rupees, and the price of the goods is also 1 rupees per unit. So he will spend in a manner that he will get maximum satisfaction, and the last rupees spent on the good will give him marginal utility equal to the that price of the commodity. So that the marginal utility derived from the third unit is equal, but if here he is spending only 5 rupees, if we take that the second rupees is spending on orange, third he is spending on apple, fourth he is spending on apple, or fifth unit he is having equal marginal utility from the both, so we can spend on apple and also orange, that depending on him. The sixth unit he will spend on apple because here the marginal utility is less than the apple, because here it is only 2 and here it is 10. So the consumer will be in equilibrium at point E, where he gets maximum satisfaction and his total utility is also maximum. Okay students, so watch the video. Any doubt, query, you are free to ask. Also practice the diagram table from your book. Okay, thank you.